What's happening, world? We are live here with Miss Drew Sidora. Please tell us this one thing. What do you value most in relationships?
Oh my God. Honesty. I do not do liars. Be who you are, genuinely, authentically, and let me choose that. Whoever that might be, you know what I mean? Because we're all imperfect, but don't be afraid to show that, show your flaws so that I can choose to love you for who you are.
Sure enough.
Not your, representative.
That's right. That's right.
I don't like that.
Okay. So tell the people, what do you have coming on the horizons?
Oh my God, so much. Well, I got music out.
Okay.
It's called Already Know. You can download it, stream it. Super excited about that. And also, Real Housewives of Atlanta is in process, so stay tuned to the drama and the shadiness and all the tea. I have a new movie coming out on BET, so yeah, stay tuned for all of that.
Sure enough. Thank you.
And then
so
I drop
much.
it with Drew. You know what I'm saying? I'm on a weight loss journey. And so, if you haven't or you want to join in on the fun, health and wellness is so important, dropitwithdrew.com. Sign up and join us for our 21-day challenge.
Sure enough.
And I have merchandise.
Okay,
DrewSidora.com. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
ID 104 Radio, Minding My Business is TV.